All right, guys, welcome to What is More Logistics, our YouTube platform. It's been long. I dropped any video. All right, so today I'm quickly going to show you the best way to register on our website. Simple as ABCD. Without registration on our platform, you cannot submit orders and you can track your orders as well. So, for you to place orders on our platform, you need to make sure that you are registered. All right, so this is the homepage of our website www.otcmoga.com. Right. So now what you need to do is to head here, click on login or register. Login or register is going to load. All right, then you can start your registration process. So this is the login and the registration page. Now what you need to do is to click on register. All right, so for here you can just click on register and start putting in your email and password. All right, so what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to put in my email. I'm going to put in my email. So I'm going to put in straight point studios, straight point studios. All right, so that is basically what I'm going to do. Straight point studios at um at gmail um gmail.com. All right, so straight point studios at gmail.com. All right, so I'm done with my password as well. Okay, so what I need to do from here is to click on register. Okay, so make sure you recheck your password. Straight Point Studios, Straight Point Studios. All right, at gmail.com. You put in your password and then you click on OK. Register. All right, so that is simple as ABCD. So this shows that you have successfully registered. All right. So what you need to do from here is to do some configuration or some setup. All right. So you can refresh your email to check whether you have received an email. So you can see that I have received an email. Okay, your account has been registered or has been created on OTC Okay. So what you need to do is to let's go back to the page, and then we can click on address. Okay, so that whenever you want to place an order, you don't keep on putting in your address. So here you can put in your addresses and save them. All right, so here what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to click on straight. Okay, straight point studios, straight. Okay, straight point studios. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fast track this so that I fill in the information and then come back to you, right? All right, so I'm done with the information. So I've provided my name, Straight Point Studios, Straight Accra, then the location and all that. I've provided them. All right, from this side. Okay, so here shipping type by air by sea. I prefer by sea. All right. Now, whenever you register, make sure that you don't choose this during the registration or during the account setup, because these are products in Ghana. You don't really know whether this product is actually in Ghana or not. All right. So this is a mistake that some of you guys have been doing. You can confirm to us whatever product you want to purchase to find out if it is in Ghana, but you should know that cheap products are actually not in Ghana. All right, cheap products are actually not in Ghana, and products are in Ghana. We mostly indicate even when you click on that product, you realize that we have indicated that this product is available in Ghana. The price is different from the normal prices that you have been seeing. All right. So when you are done, you just click on save. All right. You just click on save and boom, you are done. All right. So anytime you want to place an order, this is there. So quickly, let's go to the home page. Let's click on the home page. Now we are done with our account setup. We are done with our account setup. So it's very simple. We can just what do we call it? We can just try to submit an order to see how it's going to work. So this is the categories that if you want anything, you look at the category. If it is fashion, if it is health and beauty, home and office, and all that and all that. If you have the product, you can type in, or you can also contact us for us to send you the link for easy access to the website. All right. So this is very simple, and this is the page. So let's try to place an order. So what is it? Wait, not responding. All right, so what I'm gonna do is to just click on um let's see, let's see. So um So let's say this is actually the item that I want to buy. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. All right. Yeah, so I'm going to click on the item. So let's say this is the particular phone that I want to buy. I'm just going to click on the phone. All right. Yeah, so this is it. All right. So this is Sony Xperia 1. So it's Japan version. All right. So let's say this is what I want to buy. So I need to click on this and then come here to choose the color that I want. So I'm going to click on black and then I have to indicate the room. All right. So I have to click on this and then also click on this and then click on the Japan version before this will be active. Okay, so availability is we have about 197 in stock, and you just this is the price, so you can click on add to cart. Okay, so you just click on add to cart from here, and then you just go to your cart. It is being added to cart, very simple as ABCD, and then you come to add to cart, and this is where you can click on check out and check out. And then here you see, because we earlier on configured our names and all that, so it's already here. We don't need to repeat the same thing again. All right, we don't need to repeat the same thing again. So here we can click on this and then we click on place order. Okay, so the moment we submit our order, very very simple as ABCD. All right, so you can see that our order has been received. We've sent the order and then this is the order number and all that. So earlier on, the payment gateway was given with a reference that when you're making payment you need to. So this is it, very simple to actually do that. Thank you very much.